Do you feel tiredness every time? The reason may be surprise you. I worked in a hospital for 18 years. There, people often complained that the constant tiredness. They don't know the real reason. The reason is lack of vitamin D, lack of sunlight. So, if you feel tiredness, go outside, get the sunlight. I am doing regularly this practice. Every day I go to terrace and get the sunlight. The right time is morning 11 a.m. So try this, get sunlight, then you don't get the tiredness. You will get vitamin D, you will get better sleep, you will get better energy, you will get better sleep. So do it, get energy. Bye, see you.